Hello, welcome to my channel, Gold Room Nails. My name is Gigi. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a baby boomer, also known as the ombre. You're going to get the colors of your choice. Just make sure they're either cover acrylics or they're opaque, so that when you're doing the blend, it kind of like covers the color that's going to be on the free edge. So you're going to take a medium to large size bead. You're going to place it right where you blended in that tip to the natural nail. And you're going to just pat it in. Try not to make the acrylic too thick, kind of like medium thickness. And you're going to clean up the sides because it's going to reduce the file time later. You just want to keep the shape of the tip. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the nude color. We're going to place it right at the cuticle area. Then we are going to feather it down. When you're feathering it down, you want to keep light strokes. You're always going to want to clean around the sidewalls and the cuticle. And what that is going to do is going to prevent lifting. You can always go back in and wet your brush with some more monomer and go over that cuticle color to blend it in a little bit more. So I'm going to show you again one more time. I'm going to take a cuticle bead. You want to place it down as close to the cuticle as you can. Feather it down lightly. And you're going to clean around the sidewalls to prevent any lifting. Always blending, always blending. One more time. You're gonna take that bead, just make sure the bead is like medium to wet. And you don't want to take too much either because it's gonna cover down too far. So the ombre is gonna be lower. And if you get some acrylic on the skin, it's fine. Just clean it right off. Now you're going to encapsulate all of the nails with clear acrylic. The clear acrylic is going to serve as protection for when you're filing, and it's also going to give strength to the nails so that they don't break easily. I am now shaping the nails into that perfect coffin shape using an 80/80 grit file. You remember before when I told you to place the acrylic in the shape of the nails that you want them to be? This is why, because it completely cuts down your file time by over 50%. Now here I'm using an extra fine safety bit going around the cuticles, on top of the nail, underneath the nail, just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. After you're done filing, you're going to want to buff all 10 nails with a buffing block. We're going to put clear gel top coat and some stones. Thank you so much for watching my video. You can follow me on Instagram at GOLDROOMNAILS. You can also make your appointments there. See you in my next video. Bye bye now.